everyone, welcome back to Harshi's kitchen. Today I am going to show how to make Medu Vada or masala vada, which is a popular South Indian breakfast. If you like this recipe, please click the like button below and do not forget to subscribe my channel.
For Medu Vada, I have taken about 1 cup of urad dal and quarter cup of chana dal. I have soaked them together for about 3 hours and made into fine paste. Into the batter, I will add about 2 tablespoons of rice flour, and also add finely chopped onion. This is about 1 onion. Mix them well. Add in some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Stir it well. Now add in about a pinch of hing. Again, mix the batter thoroughly. Now our batter is ready. We will start with the preparation of vada. Into a deep pan, take oil which is enough for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, drop little bit of batter and check whether the oil is hot or not. Wash your hands thoroughly and take enough batter into your palms. Spread it just like this. Flatten it and make a hole in the middle and drop into the oil. Oil should be in medium heat. Keep turning the vadas to the other side. By that it should cook evenly. Fry the vadas until it reaches golden brown color both the sides. Put the flame in medium. Do not turn it to high. Now it has reached perfect brown color. I will take out the vadas to a strainer. I will be taking it out into a plate on top of a paper towel. Now our perfect Medu Vadas or masala vadas are ready to serve. It's crispy outside and soft inside. Vadas taste best with peanut chutney, coconut chutney and sambar. So friends, please give it a try and have this wonderful dish and give me your valuable feedback in the below comment section. Thank you so much for watching and do not forget to subscribe my channel.